Somebody need. Let me throw them down.
Yeah.
Good job, dumbass.
Don't mind my cat in the back. It just wants some food. My sister never feed them.
Just throw me under the bus.
Excuse me, your telly's in my video.
I give me some chicken.
I'm gonna do 2 story time in one. So it's gonna be a story time.
That's it. You should be ashamed
Where
of yourself.
this actually happened to me today.
Let me tell you. Let me call some cat lovers and tell them what should be doing.
So I was at work today, and where I work at is like a call center. So, you know, do my basic regular thing. I get on the phone with the dude. Hi, thank you for calling. Hi, my name is da-da-da-da. I'm from da-da-da. You know, regular basic. He said, oh, you go find a real job. I'm like, oh, wow. I started laughing. And then he hung up. Then I was like, oh, wow. And I hung up. I was like, oh, wow. Then I have another call where the dude was like, oh, you know what I'm tired of hearing? Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. I'm like, okay. And this is the state of Iowa. It's an island, I think. Right?
That's what y'all calling from?
Mm-hmm. That's where I'm calling too. So you guys know what's going on with see here. My sister gonna be in the mukbang soon. So you know, Joe Biden, you know, the election and stuff like that. How do you guys, comment down below, how do you guys feel about Trump getting COVID? I think, I'm not gonna say it's fake, but I feel like it was fake.
I feel like that's what he gets because how he says don't wear a mask and stuff like that.
It's not even that. I feel like he's just faking it just so he can, you know, people can feel bad about him and people can go ahead and vote for him. And, you know, I actually thought, at first, no lie, I thought he got the corona. But then after he started doing the same thing he was doing, like nothing happened. And then on top of that, the dude, he got in the car, left the hospital, got in the car, drove around and waved to all the people that was waiting for him. You don't do something like that. That is very childish and stuff to me. To me, I think that's very childish and stuff. And I also think he should never did that because he put in the driver in and at risk, and everybody else that's in that car at risk. And then he went back to the hospital. Now imagine you was recovering perfectly fine, and you just, excuse me, you just go back to the hospital. I mean, leave the hospital, get it even worse.
He took off his mask to do a photo shoot, and I heard him say he's highly contagious with COVID. Why would you take off your mask to do a photo shoot if you know you're highly contagious with COVID? Him and his wife have it. No, you don't know. Who else might have it in the White House?
And you know what? I'm shocked. I'm shocked because I thought Joe Biden was going to get the coronavirus because at the debate he wasn't wearing no mask. Don't mind the cat. Give her some chicken. Get down.
I'm gonna give a piece of work.
Alright, so what we was talking about?
About how you thought Joe Biden was going to get COVID?
Yeah, I actually thought Joe Biden was going to get COVID due to the fact that he was literally, I know even though they were 6 feet apart, but you know it's airborne. So like, air just don't sit there and don't travel. Air travel around the whole room. So, what about you, Zayna? What do you feel?
Well, she's looking at me.
Leave her. She can at least leave us alone.
I don't think that's looking nice is good. Give her. I don't know what to do.
Girl, how do you feel towards the debate? Oh!
Trump kept on interrupting Joe Biden. Like,
Yeah.
let the person speak. Just because you're the president, that doesn't mean you can interrupt anyone.
Like, that's very childish. As a 70-year-old man or a president, you don't do stuff like that. Have respect, like you so-called have respect. Well, who would you vote? If you was able to vote, who would you vote for?
Joe Biden.
Okay.
The question is, you know how we built that wall in Mexico? What was the point of it? Like, what was the point? Like, what did they even do to you?
And guess who's mostly voting for him? Mexicans and Latinos.
Really?
Nope.
They probably think, oh, they won't let him be free.
You, who would you vote for?
Joe Biden. Because I seen this ad and I don't know, like, I don't know if I believe that shit or not. When he was like young and he had a stuttering problem and then he lost his family in the car crash. And now he wants to like help Mexicans, Latinos
Well,
get a job. So
what I feel, I don't know if it's true, but they were saying that he will raise taxes.
would you rather either be dead or raise taxes?
I mean, at the end of the day, it's money, hey. Today I was at work, and the lady was like, I'm voting definitely for Trump. That was funny.
Like, that's true, like, I just don't understand the purpose. I'm like, him and protecting Joe Biden. He also did that when it was him versus Hillary Clinton. That literally, I don't remember who, but somebody said, let her speak.
The dude.
Yeah, that a dude just literally had to stand up and say, sir, let her speak. And if it was President Barack Obama or Donald Trump.
I think Michelle Obama should run for president.
Well, I this is Michelle Obama versus Hillary Clinton. Who do you think would have won?
Michelle Obama. And if Michelle Obama run for president, I know she's going to win for election.
I feel like Trump learned his lesson. He made fun of Corona. He said it was a hoax, fake. Now he got corona. Not once, but I think probably that's fine. That's why he's back, probably back in the hospital. Does he still think it's a hoax? Probably so.
Okay, next topic. What topic do you think we should talk about? Not fit on video. Comment down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that post notification bell button and comment down below. Any video you like to do, I'm for. And that's the end of this video. Stay unique, my people.